Good morning everybody. In this video I am going to explain you the Inspire Award details of 2020 and 21 year. Here we have to collect all the details of information of the schools first, and the information: student name, the student Aadhaar card number and student passbook number, and his mother name and student photo. One photo is required, and which class he is studying, and title of the project and the brief explanation. Let your register user and password ID of the Inspire Award or email address or the password. There we have already opened our account, a school account in last year. Then we have to use the email id or password, then user and password id, it will be opened. Then we have to put the this year 6 to 8 3 projects, maximum 5 projects they are telling. We have to put to 3 projects, and 6 8 to 10 8 to 10 they are also 3 projects we have to admit or submit the that authority. That is the sum of the school dice codes, school name, and which school we are studying. Then we have to the science teacher's email id and password and school hm's email id that is required. Like this, the students passbook number and the students Aadhaar card number is also required. Once the our school account is opened, then we have to submit like this. First year, the project name, how to use the factory wastes, the sugar factory waste converted into useful material, in which format. Material used for this seed is 3 voltage battery, switch, tanker, charger, foam sheet, and water pump. Explanation: in the sugar factory, the after manufacturing the sugar, the waste products are coming out from the sugar cane. The liquid came out from the factory as waste. It is used to destroy the unnecessary grass which is grown in our field. This is one use. And second use, the solid waste is used to maintain the moisture in the mud. The farmers, it also helps to control the water content in the mud. It helps to farmer to grow the crops in better way. In this middle, the waste is also used for the this method is used, and that is liquid and the solid wastes are used as a fertilizers in the pomegranate crop especially. It is also helps to wear better way in the pomegranate. And second time we have to explain that the two I have explained here for you. This is the same way we are submitting the same Aadhaar card and password, bank passbooks of the student, and mother name is required. In this way, this is the second number. The numbers is the project name is the how to convert how to control the smoke or foam in the big factory. The title name is like this, and the material used for this project is 40,000 volt generator, 3.7 volt battery, connecting wires, Solgar gum, foam sheet, Fevikwik watercolor, scale, and push switch aluminium pipe. These materials are required here, and the explanations how it is works. The factory of the any kinds of the smokes come out from it is very harmful on it, so the air pollution happens. To control the smoke any factory, it is better idea to control the our air pollution. For that, the high voltage current is passes through the chimneys of the factory. It controls the amount of the smoke outcome of the factory, so that the smoke automatically the controls the factory wastes. The better idea to control the air pollution in easy way. The diseases came from the air smokes come out from the factory is controlled by this idea. If any factory adopted this idea, the smoke amount controls fastly, and the air pollutions also. The all the diseases which is came from air pollution is also controlled in this is easy way. The high voltage current is passes through the chimneys. It controls the how much the smokes come out from the factory, it is controls. So this is the two ideas I have submitted here, and it is from 8th standard I am putting here, so that we are very helpful for you. I think it is helpful for you. Please give one comment on this. Please like my video. Thank you and subscribe.